bunnies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the season of spring. I'm so excited that spring is finally here. The weather is starting to get nicer outside and I just love the pastel colors that spring brings along with one of my favorite holidays, which is Easter. So I thought I would share with you guys my Easter collection today. I just love the bunnies, the chicks, again the pastel colors. So if you guys would like to see my Easter collection, then continue watching. So most of my collection is from either Target, Marshalls, or the Dollar Tree, and if I can remember, I will tell you guys where I got each of these things from. So the first place I will get started with is Target. Alrighty, so last year in the little $1 to $5 bin spot that they have at the front of their store, I got these cute Easter socks. I just love that they have little ducklings, Easter eggs, bunnies, and carrots on them. I absolutely love wearing themed socks during the holiday season, so yay for Target for carrying these. The next thing from Target is this adorable little Easter bunny that you just prop up on the table like that, and he was just too cute, I had to get it. Also from Target is this adorable Happy Easter table runner where I'll be placing this on my dining room table, and I just love the pastel colors and the flowers on this table runner. Last thing from Target is this beautiful nail polish color by Sally Hansen in the color Lacy Lilac. Again, I love pastel colors in the springtime. How beautiful is this color? I can't wait to put it on my nails and try to do like a little Easter egg design with it. Next up is Marshalls, and I have here this beautiful Happy Easter sign with a bunny rabbit in the middle. I'm going to be putting this up in my breakfast bar area. I also have here an Easter bunny with a basket of carrots. Oh my goodness, he's too cute. I also have these adorable Easter egg duckling salt and pepper shakers from Marshalls that I got there last year. Also from Marshalls that I got there last year are these beautifully decorated ceramic plates, and they come in a set of 4, and I gotta show you guys what these look like on the inside because they're so cute. And each of them has a different design. The first one here looks like this, and it says Easter Blessings of Bond. This one says Hope Springs Eternal, Blessings of Bond. And then again, Hope Springs Eternal with a different style on it. And those are just so cute. Again, I got them at Marshalls last year, so I don't know if they have them again this year or something similar, but they are from Marshalls. And also last year from Marshalls, I got these cute Easter egg kitchen towels, and they came in a set, so I do have an extra one here. Alright, so the last stop is the dollar store, and the first thing I'll show you guys that I got there is this adorable Easter basket decoration, and it has cute little pastel Easter eggs in it, and it's too cute. I had to get it, and I'm going to put it up on my breakfast bar area. I have this little door hanger that says Easter Greetings. Oh my goodness, I just love the colors in this. It's so pretty. And final thing from the dollar store is this little Easter bouquet that I put together with faux flowers here, and they also have little Easter eggs, Easter bunny, and the vase is also from the Dollar Tree as well. But these Easter eggs, I will say I've had them for years now, so I just popped them in there as part of decorations, and I probably got them from like Five Below. I love how pretty the colors are in this bouquet. It just brings me so much happiness looking at it. I wish they had a floral scent to them though, but I'll probably get like a candle or some kind of air freshener with a nice spring scent to it, and we can just make believe that they're real, but I just love how pretty they are, and from the Dollar Tree, you can't beat that. So these next few items were gifted to me from my mom last year for Easter, so I'm not necessarily sure where they're from, but I'll go ahead and show you guys anyways. First up is this faux flower pot plant, and I just love the spring colors in this. And she also got me a wire Easter basket, and I've just been setting this out on my breakfast bar area, and the kids will use this to set their cell phones or tablets in while they're doing homework and chores. So that's what I've been using that for. Last but not least is this Easter classic called Here Comes Peter Cottontail. Oh my goodness, I love this movie so much. It was one of my childhood favorites growing up. I remember owning it on VHS as well. And it's just a fun Easter movie for the kids. So if you guys have a Target nearby, I do know that they sold this at Target last year. But it's such a fun Easter movie, and again, I think the kids would love it. And that includes everything for my Easter collection. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna go and decorate my home now for Easter. So if you guys want to see more trendy videos from me, then be sure to click that subscribe button. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!